Alright everyone, so it's time to announce the winner of the Toolbox giveaway. So I just want to start off by saying thank you to everyone who entered into the giveaway, everyone who participated, and everyone who subscribed, and everyone who is here, which is why we wanted to do this. We want to just thank everybody for being here and enjoying what we do as much as we enjoy it. And again, I really appreciate that, and we will be doing many more giveaways coming up here in the future, so definitely stay tuned for that. The winner of the handmade toolbox, the collaboration between Roy over at Clovota Milling and Signs and myself, the winner is Terry Bellender. So Terry, I'm going to send you an email and get your information so I can ship this out to you. I will get it all packaged and ready to go. So I will shoot you an email and get your information. So congratulations to Terry for being the winner of the Toolbox giveaway. And like I said, there'll be some more stuff coming up. The next giveaway I'm going to do will be probably in a week or two, and I plan on giving away one of our new shirts. Be on the lookout for that, and I will have our next kiln video uploaded tomorrow, so you should see that coming out as well. And I'm looking forward to getting that kiln project done so I can load it up. I really appreciate everyone for being here. Congratulations, Terry. I will talk to you soon. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and we'll see you on the next video. See you tomorrow.